Today I'm going to teach you how to provide sign-up coupons for customers in WooCommerce using a WordPress plugin. This is a great way to incentivize new customers to complete their registration and make their first purchase on your online store. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials now to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you'll have full control over your WooCommerce setup to provide sign-up coupons for customers in WooCommerce. Start by clicking on Plugins on the left navigation menu. This will expand a set of options related to managing your site's plugins. From the options that appear, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin library where you can browse and install new features for your store. From the Plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top and type in Coupon. From the search results, look for Smart Coupons for WooCommerce Coupons. This plugin is specifically designed to help you create and manage various types of coupons efficiently. Click on More Details to see an overview of the plugin and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review what it offers to ensure it fits your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a while to finish, so be patient while WordPress processes the setup. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once your page refreshes, you'll notice a new menu has been added to your left navigation panel. This is the Smart Coupons menu, which gives you access to all the coupon management features. From here, click on Smart Coupons, and then on the top part of your screen, click on Add New Coupon. This is where you'll create your sign-up coupon for new customers. Start by adding the coupon code in the respective field. Choose something memorable and relevant like Welcome 10 or Sign Up 15. Then in the description field, you can write something like sign up coupon or new customer discount so you and your team know what this coupon is for. Next, click on the discount type dropdown and choose from percentage discount, fixed cart discount, or fixed product discount, depending on how you want to structure the offer. After that, set the coupon amount in the field provided. This could be a percentage like 10% or a fixed amount like $5. You can also toggle the Allow Free Shipping option if you want to include that as part of the sign-up incentive. Then set the coupon start and expiry date to control when the coupon becomes active and when it stops working. This helps you manage promotional periods effectively. Once everything is filled in and configured to your liking, click on Publish on the right side of your screen. This makes the coupon live and ready to be shared with your new customers. And that's it. You've successfully created a sign-up coupon in WooCommerce that you can now promote to encourage new registrations and conversions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.